In this brief video, I'll demonstrate how to fix an error message. This page doesn't seem to exist on a website after installing the Astra theme. This may happen on other themes as well, where if you try to go to the appearance and then starter templates, you receive this error message. And also, if you go under customize to customize the theme settings, the page never loads to get to the settings. This is with a brand new website, and it took a little while to figure it out, but here is the solution. To correct this, you need to go to File Manager, in my case, GoDaddy.com. Go under File Manager and launch the File Manager. We need to modify the htaccess file. Go here under Public, HTML, and then htaccess, and then select Edit. Then click on Edit again. And under the Custom Code area, or right below the end of WordPress, paste this code. And in my case, I'm setting the memory to utilize up to 20 megabytes. And I'll post this in the description of this video. Once you enter this code as part of the htaccess file, save the changes. And now, if we go back to our page and try to go back to the templates, under Appearance, Starter Templates, notice it'll give us the option to access and build the templates. Again, this is with the Astra theme, but this issue may exist on other websites as well, and it has to do with the amount of memory being allocated to run those scripts. Now, also, if I go back to the customization of the settings, and I click here on Customize, notice now we can get to the settings to customize the Astra theme header or other components in it.